Good morning, shit biscuits. Alright, I'll be the first to admit, I don't really give a shit what age demographic watches my videos. Cause quite frankly, it's not my responsibility to look after that shit. But to keep the communism of YouTube off my back, I will go ahead and say that if you are under the age of 18, I would not advise you watch these videos. Cause these tend to get violent and have a lot of cussing. Again, I personally don't give a fuck. But at the same time, I'm not about to leave myself open for an attack. So, 18 or older, you're cool. Under that, I wouldn't recommend it.
Oh! Well, that's cool. That's the first thing okay. Start. Huh. Okay, that threw me off. Okay, alright, back.
Crime report just came in.
Okay! Oh, that's cool that you can just deploy those whenever you want.
Back it up! Let's go! Come on.
It looks like Mike Tyson. Did you see how ripped that fucking moron was?
So let's clear this place out. Come on, load them up.
Yeah, of course. After a citywide disaster as big as Sandman of fucking yeah, of course there would be a bunch of people poised to capitalize on that shit.
Whose idea was it to have a gun club in the city? Spiderman is in the air!
Shit, I'd go for a gun club.
I think I'm gonna start a petition. Replace all the gun clubs with something better. Like a compliment club. Compliments don't hurt anyone, and they're free. For example, you take a punch really well. Good job. Hey, I think I'm onto something. Less guns, more compliments.
Nope. Oh, this game better not make Spider-Man anti-gun, or I'm gonna fucking hate this shit. Alright. No, they didn't make Spider-Man anti-gun, so I'm just gonna pretend I didn't hear that. Woo!
Wash the spider!
Hello, buddy. He was so weak I one-shot him.
That was a big crew, taking advantage while the city's covered in sand. Wish I knew what got into Marco.
Yep.
More of them coming. Let's give him a warm welcome, Spidey style.
Uh-oh. What? Navigate option. Okay. Spend tech parts. Purchase the upshot. Okay, what is this? Okay, increases max shot count by 1. Oh, wait, okay. Suspend multiple enemies in the air, making them vulnerable to air combos or yank down. Okay. R1 plus triangle. What's this? Pull multiple enemies into one place, making them vulnerable to area attacks. Find, okay. What's this? Web up. Okay, so that's just your standard web shooters. Alright. Okay! Alright! I can get into this. Oh, there's a lot more of them. Okay.
Get it our way!
Yeah, it's one of my superpowers.
Hey guys.
Oh, that's so sick!
I know. Trying to innovate here. Give me a minute. I'll call you back.
No. No, you don't.
Man, you think he's mad at me?
Stress masquerades as anger sometimes. Just keep looking for people to help.
Nope.
No, you sound like you're angry.
I'm not angry, Miles. Just focused.
That's what my mom always says when she's angry.
Shit!
Come on. You've known me for a long time. When have you ever seen me angry?
I'm thinking.
That Spider Barrage thing is so fucking cool.
That one time we were playing a board game at your place and you kept losing.
I wasn't angry at you. I was angry at the universe.
Spider makes some anti-gun fucking remarks and immediately gets instant karma for it. Okay, all is forgiven. Thought, bitch. Fuck you. Oh, I fucking love that suit. Swipe left.
Okay, the new app is compiling. I figured as long as we're at it, we might as well give it an upgrade.
We don't need anything fancy. We just need to see citizen reports.
Totally. While the patch is updating, we should widen the net. Let's check in with Miles.
Switch to my... Oh. Okay, now we get to play as Miles. Is this gonna be like GTA?
I'm having trouble breathing.
Is this
Miles,
gonna be like
busy.
GTA where you can
What do you
just
need?
randomly
Get to the
switch
roof of
between
that
the two
building
at
nearby.
will? Oh! Oh, that's so cool because you had to buy upgrades to get that move in the last game, and now you're just
Yo,
get
your
it
stress
straight
early.
off the bat.
You
Sweet.
doing okay?
Yeah, there's just a lot going on, and I'm hungry, and the vending machine only has those plain low sodium table crackers.
Oh man.
Damn,
that sucks.
Miles looks good when he's swimming
I'll
through
manage.
the
Hey,
city.
so I'm finally doing that app upgrade I've been talking about, with a little help from my friends. That's a brilliant pun that doesn't make sense to you yet, but it will in a minute.
Oh shit! Ah! Oh, that's so cool! The difference between Miles and Peter's fucking web swinging styles. Miles seems like a bit more like playful and childish, whereas Peter, he's been doing it for years, so he seems a bit more focused when he's doing it. That's
Okay,
so
I'm here.
fucking cool!
There should be a launcher somewhere around there.
I don't
Yes,
see
I
anything
am
looks
that
like
much of a
launcher.
geek that I overanalyze games
Maybe
like
it's
that.
under
I
the
don't give a
sand?
fuck. Oh. Oh, it's inside? Oh! Oh wait, hold on. Oh, nope, never mind.
Okay, I see the launcher. Now what?
You're gonna 3D print a friend.
A friend. Oh, we're making another drone.
I get it now. FRND. Let me guess. Friendly Relay Network drone.
Close, but it doesn't really matter. What matters is that it uses spatial and temporal correlated signals.
Over-the-air computation? You're a genius, Genki.
Oh, you. I marked a path for optimal network stability. If you stay in the path, we'll get a stronger signal.
Alright. No. Okay. Okay. We're going. Yes. Right. Sarah, come on. Yes.
Okay, local network is connected. New
Oh.
crime report.
I see it. On my way.
Oh, that's so fucking cool. I fucking love the wingsuit. That is so fucking dope. I don't quite know how to work it yet, but I'll figure out.
Boys said Spider-Man was at the gun club. Gotta move before he gets here.
It's right above y'all.
Hey, need a hand?
Alright. Here goes.
Lost your keys? There's a locksmith up the street. All of you guys are for one armored car? Seems like overkill.
We got this. We got.
What if instead of stealing, you, I don't know, tried to help rescue people?
Oh shit, I can't see anything in here. Oh no. Oh shit! work here yet. Howdy, buddy.
Mijo, are you okay?
Yeah, Ma. You okay?
See, I'm downtown helping Gloria.
There he goes.
Oh, have you
Hey,
met
fellas.
Mr. Sumida?
Oh,
No.
Que dijimos? Spider-Man isn't going to get you into college.
I'll make it, Ma. Promise. Gotta run.
Don't blink!
No, you don't, bitch.
The big gun!
Big guns?
Oh, nice. I think I ended the first episode without even finishing the first mission on accident. Holy fuck, and I was talking about the other dude being muscular. Holy fuck! Harry just before melee act to stagger Hey there, buddy. Oh, it's like a
Analyzing abstract equations for hypothetical situations.
what the fuck is the term for it?
I think I like this kind of physics better.
Does Miles not have the same gadgets that Peter does?
That's
Oh,
good
shit.
advice.
Sit down, son. Oh, shit!
You're not gonna win this!
Oh wait, no, he has the same amount of. He has the same gadget. Why couldn't I use it? Okay. We'll figure that out in a minute.
There he is! Up there!
No! Ow! Not again, son. Come here.
Okay, the app's finally updated. Check it out.
Ooh, nice work.
New requests just came in.
Genki, nice work on the app. This'll help a lot of people.
Thanks.
Miles, let's hit these last requests
Holy
and get back
fuck!
to school.
Hot damn! This motherfucker's been has so much sand around the city. Okay.
Save us!
No problem.
Some kind of crystal popped through a
Water?
wall and ruptured a gas line. A crystal? I'll check it out.
Crystal? Hold on. Oh! What the fuck is that? Hey, oh! What the fuck is that? Oh.
What the hell?
Oh no!
Didn't we just whoop you? You still here, Marco?
Did we accidentally make a second Sandman?
Miles, it's MJ. Just checking in.
I think I'm finding Sandman again. Did he escape already?
No, I'm at the raft. He's right in front of me. I have a hunch. Sit tight. Let me talk to his doctors.
Cause I think that's one of the crystals that Miles made when he punched when he uses electric power to punch Marco, and I think that's one of the crystals from that. Did we accidentally make another Sandman? There's gonna be 2 Marcos. Oh shit.
Okay, I talked to the doctors. Is there a sand crystal thingy near you?
Yes.
Okay. The doctors say Marco's mind is broken. Literally shattered into pieces.
Freaky. So why are these sand dudes attacking me?
Probably bits of his subconscious trying to protect whatever's in that crystal. But listen, if you can find all the pieces, they say you might be able to make him whole again.
Being
Oh,
a sand
shit.
person sounds complicated.
Ow! Ow!
I told you I didn't like sand.
Damn it, I noticed that in the first game too. tend to get too focused on one enemy and not pay attention. Fuck. Okay. Okay, so what do I do to stop this thing? Like, do I drown it or something? Do I electrify it?
Okay, Marco. What was your subconscious protecting?
One minute I was with you, and the next, you were gone.
Talking crystal. Okay. Seems like it holds a part of Marco's memory. MJ said that there were more crystals scattered around the city. Gotta keep an eye out.
Hey, you want to grab that last request? Looks like some VIP stuck in a limo.
VIP stuck in a limo? I don't like rich dudes.
On it. Genki, is Mr. Sumida still there?
Yeah, he's with Haley right now. She's trying to stall him for you.
Nice. Hopefully he's gonna tell me how to write my college essay.
You're not done with that yet? You know, since I already got into ESU, I could help you.
Nah, you do too much already. Plus, if you help me get into college, you never shut up about it.
Really need that $5 grand by next week.
Hey,
Why is
stay
it
away
that
from
every
limo.
single block it seems there's a bunch of fucking thugs around everywhere? And I'm not even talking about your stereotypical, like, I'm not even talking about your stereotypical, like,
Paparazzi's
video
bad
game
enough.
thugs who
If
just
paparazzi was
run around and talk shit to everybody because they got nothing else to do. Like, fucking,
Y'all are the
is it
worst.
actually like this in New York? Like, this, is there seriously like a street gang or something on every block? It's probably a stupid question, but you know, I mean, just it seems like it's a bit of an over-exaggeration on real life.
Check on that person in the limo.
Holy fuck, there ain't nobody in that limo. They're dead. How do I? Oh, okay. So I can pull it out. I'll be fucking amazed if whoever's in there is still alive. There ain't nobody in there. Oh.
Hospital.
Oh, there's no fucking way!
Gotta tell Spider-Man.
That's J. Jaws himself!
Mr. Jameson, let's get you to the hospital.
Financial.
That's J. Jaws himself! J. Jonah Jameson, are you fucking serious?
Sealing a hydrant, then I'm on my way.
Mr. Jameson, it's
Fuck,
Spider-Man.
oh
You with me?
no!
Flying in. On your left.
Hey, Spider-Man. Look who it is.
What? Where am I? Spider-Man!
Jonah, my sunshine.
Help! I've been abducted! Look at a photo of this! Mass criminals kidnap beloved newsman!
Fucking the
Be
opposite!
nice to the doctors.
Oh, the fuck!
Kidnap me! I did not consent! Menaces! I'm surrounded by menaces! But J. Jonah Jameson is not going anywhere, you hear me? I'm not going anywhere! Wait, where am I going?
Okay! Hold the fuck up!
Hi. Yes, this is me, Peter Parker. I'm sorry. There was an emergency, and I'll be there soon. I promise.
I better see you in 10 seconds or...
Oh no. You're breaking up. Well, soon. I can't believe I just did that.
Okay! Okay! Alright! Hold the fuck. Okay, before this continues. Of all the fucking people Miles could have ran into, fucking J. Jaws himself! Yes! That's fucking brilliant. All right, calm down, stupid.
Where's
Calm the fuck
Mr.
down.
Sumida? Oh, he just
Okay.
left. Something about going on vacation?
Oh, oh shit.
What? That's incredible, Haley.
Also, while you were gone, I found out that I got the Rand scholarship.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Bro, that's like a full ride.
Oh fuck.
Well, big day for everyone. I'm really missing out.
Oh man, I can't watch this. But I also can't look away.
Principal Evans.
Yeah. Guess who decided to show up today?
I know this looks terrible.
Looks?
And I'm so sorry.
It's more than looks.
No, I know.
This
And
is
this is the
absolutely
last thing that I
ridiculous.
wanted to happen, and it'll never happen again.
I've had enough of this.
No, look.
No more excuses. Your job is to protect these students, not to abandon them. You're fired.
Oh. Yep. Well.
Dude, you being Spider-Man must be so hard keeping a job. But I'm sure that you're gonna figure it out.
Oh fuck. That immediately followed up after yeah, immediately followed up straight after the hilarity that was finding J-Jaws. Okay. Well, you see, that's one of the things that I liked about the first game was that Peter actually has to deal with the consequences of his actions instead of just, you know, Spider-Manning his way through life
Sorry about
without
the
being
job.
willy-nilly.
You weren't the worst teacher we've ever had, if that helps.
You think I can put that on my resume?
Well, listen. There's an open photo call at the New York Bulletin. I just sent a shot in yesterday. It's not much money, but it's money.
That's Robbie Robertson's paper.
Okay.
We used to work together at the Bugle. I think I know just what he'd like. Thanks, Miles.
No problem. I might send him a few more shots, too, if I have time.
Oh,
Robbie
no
always
way.
said, don't show me the city. Show me New York.
There's absolute okay, and the second mission of the game is immediately getting Peter finding a job. That's so fucking cool. Okay, okay, yeah, all right. Yeah. Mean to do that.
Ain't that something?
Oh, that's gonna take some getting used to.
There. Now to submit and...
Peter, how you doing, son?
Robbie, hi. I know this is out of the blue, but I wanted to let you know I just sent in a photo for your open call.
Wonderful. We can definitely run this. I gotta duck into a meeting, but if you find the beating heart of New York anywhere else, send it my way. It's good to hear from you.
You too, Robbie. Thanks.
Oh man. Okay. You have earned district progress by stopping crimes and completing activities in Little Odessa. Okay. Open map. Okay. All right, we're good. Ton of good stuff, actually. Okay. All right. So, more photos of stuff. Some crime going down. Okay. Before we go take care of that crime, fuck, I sound like delirious. Okay, I did not mean to do that. Alright, okay, there ain't nothing here. Skills. Alright, Spider stuff. Okay, locked. Continue playing through the story to unlock the skill. Oh, so is it like, do we have to wait for specific missions to unlock specific skills and shit we can do with not just Spider-Man but also his like Iron Spider like, ish sort of claws. Huh, okay. That's cool. Level 3. Alright, R2. Miles. What can we do with these two as a team, actually? Hold L2 plus X on the ground to charge a slingshot launch, then release to propel the hero forward. Okay. Skill points unaffordable. Level 3. Alright. Yeah, this this game is gonna be so much fun. Alright. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see what's up with this. Hold up. Ha!
That's perfect.
My grandma always talked about going here. She'd walk across the bridge every Sunday to get the freshest vegetables in the city. But one time, she was late and the guy in front of her bought all the tomatoes. And that's how she met my grandpa.
Oh no. I have a feeling I'm gonna like Robbie. Alright. Now let's get back to business. Alright, let's see what's going on up with this shit.
Get Spider-Man!
Howdy, fellas. Get Spider-Man, you said? Well, I'm right here. Try me if you can. Oh, shit! Oh, hey, Miles.
Thanks. We should take this on the road sometime.
Oh, he was already here. Oh!
Spidey.
Oh!
Sounds
Oh,
like a
that's
good
so
excuse to finally build that Spider-Mobile.
I didn't know you could move that fast, Spidey.
Okay, that's so cool. Hold up. I just came up on this shit, and Miles was already here taking care of shit? Oh, this... Oh, fuck. Alright. I'm gonna love this game. I just know it. Oh, I'm gonna love this. Alright. Woohoo!
Looks like one of Marco's memory crystals Miles told me about. I should check it out.
Yep. Alright, Marco. Let's have ourselves a
Thought
little
I'd
bit
see
of
you
fun.
guys again.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
Sand in my boots and my gloves. It's a nightmare.
Oh, shit. Ooh. Okay, so we got new finishes, not just for Miles, but for Pete, too. That's cool. No, yeah. Ow! Okay, bitch. There you go. Alright.
Time to check out that crystal.
Someone's watching us, Kimia. But I don't want you to worry. That's my job.
Marco thought he was being watched. And who's Kimia?
Probably his daughter. I mean, well, I know that's not actually how it goes, but, you know, with how many different versions of shit there are in terms of comic books, it could easily be... no! How do I work this thing? No! Ah! How do I...
It is sandy in all the wrong places. Might be time for a change.
Oh! Oh, hold up! I just saw fucking wind currents. Is that... Do I actually have to catch wind currents in order to make the wingsuit work? Oh, this game is gonna be fucking amazing if that's right. press X to select it. Okay. Well. Okay, no, I want to go back to that one. I'm sorry, I just really like this suit. Oh, we got the classic. What the fuck is that? Okay, Miles. Ooh. Ooh, me really like that. I really like this one. No. Go back to that. No. Suits. Okay. What's that? Okay. Oh. Looks like I'm out. Okay. Owned. Let's try. Okay, so that one's the one I got on now. That one looks somewhat like a hybrid between the last game's suit, or well, basically this game's suit too. But that one looks like a hybrid between this game's suit and the Amazing Spider-Man, sort of like with the darker color scheme. Okay, I still like this one. I'm sorry, guys. I fucking love this suit way too much. What's this? Advanced suit. Oh, I think that one's literally the one from the last game. Yeah, that's totally the one from the last game. Huh! Hold up. So that one. And then that one. Huh! Okay. I mean. They upgraded it. It actually looks cool. Oh, this game is going to be so much fun.
Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick reminder before the end of the video. I would like to ask y'all to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And if you'd be so inclined, I would not mind it if y'all would share this video with anyone you deem fit. But with that being said, that's everything we have for today, and have a good one.